I was talking to Rob actually just yesterday on the 76 channel because we were watching Bitcoin, which has been on a tear. Actually, after my broadcast with him, I saw Bitcoin go up to 109,000. So Donald Trump's ushering in this whole new era, and there's all this market optimism as a result of it. You can hear Rob's take really quickly right here.
Particularly in November and sort of heading towards December, there was a lot of enthusiasm and money coming into the market. People are excited about the tax cuts, the deregulatory agenda, just sort of pro-business policies, right? Looking, at all things and trying to make the best decisions to grow the economy while containing inflation. So I think, there really was a lot of enthusiasm in the aftermath of the election, and it was warranted. But then actually, in mid-December with the Fed.
And so as a result of that enthusiasm, you saw the market go up, up, up. In fact, we could actually almost sort of even predict. I was looking at the polls, but I was also looking at the market because the market internals were telling us, there's a good shot Donald Trump is going to win. You looked at the upside that you were seeing in the cryptos like Ethereum and Bitcoin. And again, it was telling a story there. And so, look, we're continuing to see this. Again, crypto is completely wild. And the crypto market here, this is just taken off of Coinbase. It's at 103. It was at 109, I think, last night. But it's wild, wild west. But I think this upside, considering where it was just a few years ago, down around 30,000, shows you the commitment to the change that's happening, the technology change that's going to be happening. It's another thing that we got into on the show.
And so Bitcoin's position is as this idea that it's going to become a monetary network that's globally used. And it's already there. It's already a $2 trillion asset class. Ethereum's has about 50% share within stablecoins. Mm-hmm. So it's sort of like the underlying technology that supports the stablecoin industry. But then you've got other leading tokens like Solana, which is considered very good technology for international financial transactions. XRP, you mentioned Ripple, which mainstream financial institutions seem to be adopting as they transform the way transactions are processed. So the whole architecture of money is changing with these digital assets, and it's really kind of
long story short, there's a lot more to come. So if you're interested in any of this, I encourage you to go to 76research.com, 76research.com, use code word dollar, get the 76 report. We actually have a piece coming out on Bitcoin today and other cryptos. Or if you don't want to do that, it's $1 a month. Again, code word dollar, DOLLAR, for the first 2 months. If you don't want to spare the dollar, although I think you can, go to Invest in MAGA because that's the free thing. You would get it with 76 report as well. But investinmaga.com, which is a broad overview of what the upside potential is right now. And I do think there's plenty of upside potential. I mean, this is exciting stuff, guys. These are exciting times, and there's a lot that's going to happen as a result of it. Lots of policy changes.